The sun rises slowly, casting a golden hue across the sky as the first rays of light fall on the grand structure ahead. A home so massive, so beautifully crafted, that it immediately draws every pair of eyes that pass by. This is not just any home, it is a statement, a reflection of dreams turned into reality, and a masterpiece of architecture. From a distance, its presence feels commanding, yet as you step closer, the intricate details and thoughtful design begin to tell a story of elegance, comfort, and ambition combined into one breathtaking creation. Imagine walking up a long, perfectly paved driveway, lined with trimmed hedges and tall, graceful trees that seem to salute the mansion as guardians of its beauty. The pathway widens into a circular courtyard, where a magnificent fountain dances to the rhythm of cascading water. The front facade stretches wide, with towering windows that shimmer in the morning light and stone walls that exude strength and timelessness. Every brick, every curve, and every arch seems placed with purpose, showcasing craftsmanship beyond compare. The front doors, carved from the finest wood and adorned with metallic accents, open gracefully into a foyer that instantly takes your breath away. A grand chandelier hangs from the high ceiling, its crystals sparkling like stars in the sky. Beneath it lies a polished marble floor, reflecting the glow and guiding you deeper into the heart of the house. Every corner of this massive home speaks of luxury, yet it doesn't overwhelm, it invites, it comforts, it welcomes. Step into the living room, and you find yourself surrounded by walls adorned with artwork, shelves filled with rare books, and plush furniture that whispers of comfort and sophistication. The room feels endless, yet perfectly arranged for family gatherings, intimate conversations, or celebrations of life's milestones. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow sunlight to flood in, painting the space with warmth, while outside, the view of lush gardens adds a touch of nature's calm. Moving further, the kitchen unveils itself like a dream for culinary enthusiasts. Expansive countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and a design that marries functionality with beauty. It is a space not just for preparing meals but for creating experiences, where flavors are shared, laughter echoes, and memories are made over a shared love for food. Nearby, a dining hall large enough to host dozens of guests stretches gracefully, with a table that seems endless, ready for banquets, celebrations, and family feasts. Every hallway, every stairway inside this big home feels like an invitation to explore more. The sweeping staircase, with its delicate railing, curves upward to reveal private quarters where comfort reigns supreme. Bedrooms so spacious they could be mistaken for suites in a five-star hotel, each with unique designs, expansive wardrobes, and private balconies overlooking breathtaking views. The master bedroom, of course, stands apart. It is not just a room, it is a sanctuary. With a fireplace flickering on one side, a private lounge on the other, and a bathroom that feels more like a spa, this space defines relaxation and indulgence at its finest. And then there's the entertainment. A home theater with reclining seats and surround sound that transports you into cinematic worlds. A game room filled with fun and excitement for all ages. A library where silence speaks volumes, offering an escape into countless stories. For fitness lovers, a private gym equipped with everything needed to stay active without leaving the comfort of home. The grandeur doesn't stop inside. Step outside into the sprawling backyard, and you'll discover an oasis of nature and luxury. A crystal-clear swimming pool sparkles under the sun, surrounded by lounge chairs and shaded gazebos. Beautifully landscaped gardens, with flowers blooming in every color, fill the air with fragrance and charm. There's even a tennis court, a basketball area, and walking paths that wind gently through the greenery, making the outdoors just as inviting as the indoors. As day turns into night, this big home transforms yet again. Lights hidden among the trees and along pathways begin to glow softly. The fountain sparkles under moonlight. Inside, chandeliers and lamps create an atmosphere of warmth and intimacy. Whether it's hosting a grand event, a family gathering, or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, the house seems alive, breathing, welcoming, and celebrating every moment spent within its walls. But beyond the marble, the chandeliers, and the sheer size, what makes this big home truly special is the feeling it creates. It is a space where dreams feel within reach, where comfort meets beauty, and where every brick seems infused with love and purpose. A house may be built with wood and stone, but a home like this is built with vision, dedication, and the desire to create something extraordinary. Every inch of this grand estate whispers of success, but also of warmth. It is big, yes, but it doesn't intimidate, it inspires. It doesn't just stand tall, it tells stories. Stories of ambition, of family, of memories waiting to be made. As you leave, looking back at the towering silhouette under the stars, you realize that this isn't just a big home, it is a dream brought to life, a masterpiece to be cherished for generations, and a living proof that the greatest luxuries are not only measured in size but in the comfort, love, and beauty they bring into our lives.